What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today just gonna do a quick guitar tutorial on this song. We have the capo on the first fret, so make sure to put that capo on fret 1. Let's have a look at the chords. It's the same thing going throughout the whole song. Doesn't matter what the part is, who is singing, but it's the same thing. So the first chord is a D minor, which is mute mute open second third first. The next chord is a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. The next chord is actually a C dominant 7, which I just like to use before that F major chord. What you do is you just hold a normal C major chord, but you just add your pinky on the third fret of the G string and you get the 7 dominant 7 over there, and that's a C dominant 7, which is mute 3 2 3 1. And you can play that high E string, you can not play that, it's up to you, but it's both sound good to me. Then you have F, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. And then we have a B flat, which you can play it like this, which is mute 1 3 3 3 1 3 3 3 1. You can play it like this, easy way like this, any way you want. Struggling a lot with bar chords, feel free to draw a count down below. I'll provide you with a link where I'm just going to show you how to master the bar chord. Firstly, let's have a look at the chord progression going throughout the whole song. It's a D minor, then a C, then a F, and then a B flat. We'll come to the C dominant later on, but before that, have a look at this part. So the strumming pattern goes something like this. Just have a close look. It's actually down, down, up, up, down, down, bap, 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 bap. So I'm going down, down, then I'm doing an up, up. But in middle of that up, I'm actually keeping my hand on the string to get everything muted. So you got down, down, up, up, down, down. So after the second down, you're just gonna keep your hand on the string. Down, down. Then do up, up, down. So down, down, mute, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. So you see where the mute is. We got down, down, up. So down, down, mute, up, down, mute. So make sure to play that couple of times. So that's it for that string pattern. You do that once for each chord, following the chord progression. So we got down, down, ba, 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 C, down, ba, ba, F, B flat. Let's come to that dominant 7 chord. What you're gonna do is, before playing that F major chord, like you play down, down, up, up, down, you're just gonna play down, down on that C dominant 7. And after that, you're just gonna play the F major, but that time not play the full string pattern, you just play up, up, down. Kind of like we're just splitting the string pattern into 2 and we're dividing into the corresponding chords. So we got down, down, up, up, down, C major. It's dominant, F. That's how it goes. So let me play the couple of time and it will be crystal clear for you guys. And that's almost everything for this lesson. So if this is make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Friday, a lot of music to come out tomorrow. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.